Struggling with neck knots? Say goodbye to that tension. In this video, we'll cover simple techniques to release tightness and relieve discomfort. Now, watch the video to learn more about easing those neck knots and feeling better fast.
5 easy methods for neck muscle knot relief. Do neck muscle knots bother you? You're not alone. Many experience this discomfort. Let's explore 5 methods for relief. Muscle knots are small, hard areas within muscles, often caused by overuse or tension. They're common in the neck and shoulders. Knots result from repetitive strain, poor posture, or stress. Symptoms include pain and spasms, but they usually resolve on their own. Use heat or ice to soothe knots. Heat relaxes muscles, while ice reduces inflammation. Alternate treatments for best results. Try self-trigger point massage. Applying pressure to knots can relieve tension and improve circulation, easing discomfort. Stretching your neck helps reduce stress and improve posture. Simple exercises can enhance flexibility and alleviate pain. Consider myofascial release or neck physiotherapy. These therapies target knots to relieve pain and prevent recurrence. Stay proactive. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are numerous methods for reducing and avoiding neck muscle knots. Stretches, trigger point massage, heat or cold applications, myofascial release therapy, and physical therapy are a few of them. In order to avoid future instances of muscle knots, keep in mind to practice excellent posture and to avoid recurrent strain on the muscles. You may say goodbye to stiffness in the shoulders and neck by following these tips.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.